a very exciting game, guys. We are going to review the shapes, right? It is a blue rectangle. It is a yellow circle. It is a green triangle. It is a red square. Here we have a chair. Now, one student sitting on a chair, right? And one will push from behind like that. Take it to the card and ask, what shape is it? And he has to say, it is a red square. And now take to the another card like there and ask, what shape is it? It is a blue rectangle. Okay? So, next. Okay, Kevin, come over. Come on, Kevin. So here we have Ron and Kevin. Yes, Ron. Go. Okay. It is a blue rectangle. Yes, go to the next card. Here we go. And stop. It is a yellow circle. Next card, please. Okay, stop. It is a green triangle. Well done. Next, sir. There. Quincy, sit down. Wow, ask Ron what shape. It is a red square. Thank you. Okay, now it's Ron's turn. Yes, Kevin, go. There we go. Okay. And, okay, stop. Blue rectangle. Very good. Next. Okay. It is a yellow circle. Very good, Ron. You are amazing. Sin Alan. Okay. Very good. It is a blue rectangle. Next, sir. Very good, Alice. It is a yellow circle. Great. Okay, and stop. It is a green triangle. Very good. Next. Okay. Very good, Sarah Kangaroo. Come on, Emma, your turn now. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start from the rectangle. Okay, here we go. Yes, Sarah, ask. Very good. Okay, here we go and stop. It is a green triangle. Very good. Next one, quickly. Okay, last one.
Stop it, guys! Oh, okay. Okay. Ask me what color is it? It is red. It is red.